An increasing number of people are reaching out for help with their mental health for the very first time. Mental health professionals say it's an important step in rebounding from all of the anxiety and depression that has been gripping our communities for months now. News 5's Patrick Nelson shows us mental health therapy can come in many different forms, even on a horse ranch.
In the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic and lockdowns, there's a surging mental health crisis in our communities. Just a short drive from Colorado Springs, you'll find Stable Strides Horse Ranch, where these horses and mental health pros are ready to help.
It's about being outside. It's about being in an environment that doesn't feel sterile, doesn't feel like I'm getting therapy. It feels like I'm making a connection with the horse. People are starting to realize this is legitimate and it's not just playing with horses.
Working with more than 150 clients of all ages, many of them without any prior horse experience, leaders at Stable Strides say an individual mental health session is a team effort. It includes the client, a trained horse, a licensed mental health therapist, and a horse expert for safety.
Anxiety, depression, a trauma background, this work really works well for those individuals, but also, one of our main goals is to help reduce suicide rates in our community. Both in our youth and our military are really our big focuses.
Leaders of this nonprofit say their focus right now is to raise awareness and to increase the access to horse therapy for people across southern Colorado.
When 1 in 4 people before this coronavirus hit were struggling with mental illness, I don't have statistics on it, but I think that will be at least doubled, that 50% of us or more are going to be struggling, and we need to be able to address that.
Throughout the day on News 5, we'll introduce you to a military veteran who lives here locally that now bonds with these horses, plus ways you can gain access to this service or even help this nonprofit in their mission. Always watching out for you, Patrick Nelson, News 5.